Hi folks, welcome back to Global Education Zone. I'm going to teach you guys how to construct a triangle when given the altitude, the perimeter, and the angle at the vertex. So in this case, we have an altitude, we have a perimeter, and the angle at the vertex. Let's have the altitude to be, let's say 2.5 centimeters, and then let's have the perimeter to be, say 8 centimeters. Then let's have the angle at the vertex to be, say let's say 40 degrees. Yes, so altitude 2.5, perimeter 8 centimeters, angle at the vertex 40 degrees. Now the first thing is to draw a line AB and AC so that the angle BAC is equal to the angle of the vertex. Let's draw AB. Assuming let's have AB and AC. So let's draw AB and AC so that angle BAC will be equal to the angle at the vertex. So assuming this is AB, let's draw an angle AB. So we'll have our AB. So let's actually have a point for the BAC. Yes. So let's have a point for the vertex. Let's draw a line and let's construct an angle at the top of that line. So let me basically have this. Let me measure 40 degrees. 40 degrees. So this will be the angle at the vertex. That's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. We have 40. And here we go. Let's draw into our desired point of A. So this is A. So we have a line C. So this angle A will be the vertical angle, 40 degrees. Now the next step is we mark AD equal to the half the perimeter. So AD equal to half the perimeter. Now we have a perimeter of 8 centimeters. Let's mark AD equal to half the perimeter. Let's make it of 4. Mark AD to be 4 centimeters. That's from 1 to 5. So this is 4 centimeters. Let's mark AD. So this is D, and D is 4 centimeters. Now the next step is to mark AE equals to half the perimeter. So let's mark another point AE equal to half the perimeter. So this should be E. Yes. The next step is to draw perpendiculars at D and E to intersect at F. So I'll draw a line perpendicular to D and line perpendicular to E, so they will intersect at F. So this is the first perpendicular at D. So we have it here. So it's be at 90 degrees. So this is the perpendicular. This first perpendicular. Then we also have to draw a perpendicular at E. So this perpendicular at E. Yes, so we go. So this is the perpendicular at E, and this is 90 degrees. So it will intersect the previous perpendicular at a point. Let's call it F. So they intersect at this point F. So good, here we go. Now the next step is we center F and radius DF. Draw an arc. So we center F and radius DF. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Let's draw an arc. Now this arc, we center A and radius equal to the altitude. Draw a second arc. So we center A, assuming we have an altitude of, let's say 3 centimeters. We have an altitude of 3 centimeters. So point your compass to 3. So we center A and radius of 3 centimeters. So we have an altitude of 3 centimeters. So here we go. The next step is though I was thinking yes we were supposed to have an altitude of 2.5, not 3. So 2.5. I mentioned earlier 2.5, not 3. So we have 2.5 centimeters. That's the altitude. This is the arc equal to the altitude. Then the next step is we center A and radius equal to the altitude. Yes. Then draw a common tangent to the two arcs to give G and H. So you need to draw a common tangent to the two arcs. This is very simple. All you need to do is just this initial arc and second arc. You have the initial arc at D. Just draw a common tangent to the two arcs. So just draw a line that just touches the two arcs. So So this line will just touch the two arcs to give G and H. So pass through these two. Then here we go. So this is G and this is H. So that means our triangle AGH will be the required triangle. So here we go. This is the procedure. And voila, that's the process of constructing an angle when given the altitude, perimeter, and the angle at the vertex. So thanks for watching.